Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. Now if you already have an account, click on the sign in button to proceed with logging in. You will then be asked to enter the email address that you used while signing up. You can also continue with your social accounts if you have linked them with your AliExpress. After entering your email address, click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password that you have set up and click on sign in, and then you will be logged into your AliExpress account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will see the forgot password option underneath the sign in button, which you can click on in order to reset your credentials. While logging in, you will be asked to enter the verification code, as two-factor authentication is enabled by default. So use your code and click on verify and you will be logged in to your existing account on AliExpress right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.